All right, guys, it's Paul Singh, the Market Speculator, with the trade report for Thursday, August 30th, 2018. So look at SPY here, still getting really extended here, up another 0.54%. Getting tough to enter positions with the market at these levels. It's interesting because we have some extended stocks. We have some stocks that are in pretty good spots, but the concern is even if they are not extended, the market is, and if the market starts to pull back, it would probably take that with them. So I'm going to be really cautious, especially considering I'm already in position. So we're not in the spot where we need to add when we've got positions in place. Qs up over 1%, really strong here. Getting very extended, and then IWM lagging a little bit yesterday, 0.3%. Let's look at a few areas here. Oil up 1.6%. Not in a spot where it's a good place to enter because we're kind of in the middle of this range towards 15. We'd have to have a stop it way down here, so we're not going to get the right risk reward. Financials still looking good here. About break even yesterday. So we'll watch for a hold of the 9, and then biotech still very strong, but again now in a spot where tough to enter because it's heading towards that target range, kind of in the middle of the range, which makes it tough to enter. Current positions: Netflix holding, or sorry, not Netflix, Facebook holding that 9 right here. We're going to go with 170, the low 174s as a target now. So I've adjusted the stop a little bit. We did hit the bottom of our initial stop range, but I'm going to let it play around this open gap here. So we'll say somewhere between 174 and 174.30. I'll wait to see if price gets to that level, but hopefully we start to bounce here this morning. Twitter still above our entry, but pulling back a little bit here. We want to see it hold the 9 cake. A couple points yesterday looked like it was going to break through, but did not. Still above our entry at 52.77. UGLD not really moving, right at our entry level at this point. And then Baidu about 6 points above our entry, but we're going for the bigger win here and holding that 9 after pulling back here. So hopefully we start to get the bounce. So a number of our stocks really have not participated in this most recent move, but they are, for the most part, above their entries, except for Facebook. So focus list, I don't participate adding any positions, but if you're looking for something, SGMS looks really strong now after getting beaten down and crossing the 9 yesterday. The overall volume pattern also looks pretty good. Race is coming back strong here, bouncing above the 50-day moving average after getting beaten down here. Good risk reward. We were just talking about that. Maybe risk about 3 points here, and you have a target anywhere above 140. You could even go all the way up to 150. LABU we talked about, but we need a little bit of a pullback here. WWE is breaking the highs now, so at a good spot to enter. CLF still at a good spot to enter here, with a target around 1150. Win has been beaten down, but coming back and holding the 9 at a good spot to enter. And GWPH, maybe a little bit of a pullback, but I think we could even enter here, considering the target would be up here around 163. So even with, say, a 5-point stop, still a really good risk reward. So that's what I'm watching today. Not sure if I'm going to enter anything. Manage the positions. Facebook is the closest to a stop right now, and we'll see if it can hold the level it's at.